Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix this connection is not secure in Google Chrome. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open the Google Chrome browser in your PC, then tap on this three dot. Inside here, simply scroll below, then tap on Settings. Inside Settings, all you have to do is simply click on Privacy and Security. So inside Privacy and Security, scroll below, then tap on Security again. Now inside here, scroll below and find the setting called Always Use Secure Connection. Right over here. So make sure this button is turned off. Chrome uses this to upgrade a website to HTTPS. You're getting the error because the website only supports HTTP. Turn these settings off. Go back to the website you were trying to open, and in the address bar, simply remove the S from the HTTP. So it becomes HTTP only. And then press enter. The page should now load without warning. That's it. That is how you can fix the connection is not secure error in Chrome. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.